set to begin shortly, so make sure you are ready.
It's raining, running.
Thank you so much to our Anytime Fitness instructors. Okay,
But say something to my vlog. Hi, vlog. It's something. It's raining. In the rain.
while group 2, reader section is for their best.
Ready? Let's take a moment.
Mga pila ka hours ang 3 kilometers, 16 kilometers. 1 hour only. Wow, it's okay. Pila ka hours ang 16 kilometers? 6 minutes, 30 minutes. Wow.
Now, before we officially begin this journey together, let's take a moment to pause, reflect, and offer this.
Thankful for the opportunity to arrive at this event. As we prepare to begin, we ask for your guidance and protection. Grant us the strength to keep going and insight to finish strong. May you keep us safe from harm and injury. As
16. Hapit na yun. Hapit na yun ako. Honest na gigiling ko. Kinsa may naapay. 5!
We are 10,
13,
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Si Nel manani oy. Sala ni Nel. Go. Kayo na kayo. Going for a quick detour because we need to pee. I don't know if makafinish ko, but oh my god, I'm almost there. To the cut off.
and a photo op opportunity since we have.
True.
Ay, tara. Apa. Maayong ka.